Hello everyone! Today we'd like to show you how to make a firewood storage stand. It was not a necessity for us to store big amount of firewood, because constant process of building and constructing leaves us with enough firewood to have bonfires 2-3 times a week. That's why we wanted to create a nice firewood storage stand for our bonfire zone, just to make it look complete. You guessed right if you thought that you might have everything you need for such a stand in your backyard. And if you've already seen our video of making bonfire zone, then you've seen a half of this barrel. But if you've missed it, don't hesitate to look it up. We cut the barrel by the line of its rigid zone. We use a piece of 4x4 inches shaped tube as a stand base. To make the stand look prettier, we saw the tube at an angle, though we had to try several times to find the right angle. Every hour people extract more iron than it has been extracted during the history of mankind. Technology of production of rolled metal products begins in the 19th century. Back then, blacksmiths couldn't find correct proportions of alloys. People managed to do so only in the middle of the 20th century. 70% of all metal products are made of black metal. I like things that still have their history, but sometimes we have to get rid of the traces of this history just to make things shine again. And please don't forget about minimal means of protection. We need to degrease the surface of the barrel for the paint to cover it better. Now we can start painting. Black looks nice with both green grass and white snow, so I start painting with the help of my little elves. Next step is to fix the tube to the barrel and to put a metal corner to the other side of the tube to concrete it in the ground. We don't need to weld the whole line. The process of welding, I must say, is an art which one has to learn his whole life. Nevertheless, I recommend everyone to know at least the basics. A pit 30 inches deep will be enough to fix such a lightweight construction. To concrete the whole thing, we'll be using grout as usual. The last thing, but not least, is a wooden section on top of the stand to use it as a feeder for birds. Thus, we can contemplate fauna very close. Spend more time outdoors, listen to the leaves rustling and birds singing. All these sounds of nature will help you to relax. Making this firewood storage stand brought us a lot of satisfaction, but the result is even better. Don't be afraid of doing something yourself. This way, something you do will be special to you. Thank you for watching this video. And please don't hesitate to subscribe. See you later!